Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood egg drop soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 pound of your favorite seafood like shrimp or scallops and 2 large eggs. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Make sure you have 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, along with some cornstarch and green onions for garnish. This simple recipe comes together quickly. Now let's start cooking. Pour your 4 cups of broth into a pot and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Add the minced ginger and garlic, letting them infuse the broth for a few minutes. Next, carefully add your seafood. Cook the shrimp and scallops for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are opaque. Overcooking will make them tough, so keep an eye on them. This is where the magic happens for egg drop soup. In a small bowl, lightly beat your 2 eggs. While the soup is still simmering, slowly drizzle the beaten eggs into the broth in a thin stream. Stir gently in one direction with a fork or chopsticks to create beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. For a slightly thicker soup, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a slurry, then stir it into the soup until it thickens. Your delicious seafood egg drop soup is almost ready. Ladle the hot soup into bowls. For a fresh finish, sprinkle generously with chopped green onions. This adds a lovely pop of color and a mild onion flavor that complements the seafood beautifully. Serve immediately to enjoy the soup at its best, warm and comforting. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's perfect for staying hydrated while you cook or on the go, ensuring you always have a refreshing drink nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.